स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात कर रहे हैं आप लोगों के साथ आज KRONOX लैब साइंस लिमिटेड के बारे में। और KRONOX लैब साइंस लिमिटेड ने पब्लिश किया है दियर अनऑडिटेड फाइनेंशियल रिजल्ट फॉर Q3 फाइनेंशियल ईयर 26। और KRONOX lab science limited has published it is the unaudited financial result for the quarter and 9 month ended December 31, 2025. Following board approval on February 14, 2026, the company fulfilled CB regulatory requirement by publishing result in Indian Express and Financial Express newspaper on February 16, 2026. The completed financial results are accessible through the company website and stock exchange platform. KRONOX Lab Science Limited has announced the publication of its unaudited financial result for the quarter and 9 month ended December 31, 2025. The pharmaceutical company has completed the regulatory disclosure requirement following the approval of this result by the board director. Board approval and regulatory compliance. The board of directors of KRONOX Lab Science Limited approved the unaudited standalone financial result at their meeting held on February 14, 2026. The approval comes based on the recommendation from any company's audited committees, ensuring proper governance oversight of the financial reporting process. Board meeting date on February 14. Or result period quarter and 9th month in a December 31, 2025. Publication date February 16, 2026 on regulatory framework CBLODR and regulation 15. और आप लोगों ने देखा जो आज आप लोगों से डिस्कस कर रहा है जो KRONOX लैब साइंस लिमिटेड के बारे में और पब्लिश अनऑडिटेड फाइनेंशियल रिजल्ट फॉर Q3 फाइनेंशियल ईयर 26। Our KRONOX Lab Science Limited has published its unaudited financial result for the quarter and 9 month ended December 31, 2025. Following board approval on February 14, 2026, the company fulfilled CB regulatory requirement by publishing result in Indian Express and Financial Express newspaper. On February 16, 2026, the completed financial results are accessible through the company's website and stock exchange platform. KRONOX Lab Science Limited has announced the publication of unaudited financial result for the quarter and 9 month ended December 31. The pharmaceutical company has completed this regulatory disclosure requirement following approval of this result by the board director.